Hello, dear traders and investors. We are in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. If necessary, it is possible to pause the video. You can look at each indicator of the corporation being studied in detail. Now we will analyze the company's current performance indicators. NEWEGG COMMERCE Incorporated, ticker NEGG. The review was created using current information as of July 30th, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets Corporation, NEWEGG COMMERCE Inc. belongs to the subcategory Delivery. 38 companies are participating in the assessment. We will look at the decisions on orders at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is as follows: minus 4.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.5 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the stock market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the entire US stock market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against the minus rating, 4.5 points for the company NEWEGG COMMERCE Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares NEWEGG COMMERCE Inc. and subcategory shares, we see that over 12 months the shares NEWEGG COMMERCE Incorporated showed a dynamics of 230.4% against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 49.7%. Market capitalization of the company NEWEGG COMMERCE Incorporated amounts to $1.09 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $784 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $247 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share NEWEGG COMMERCE Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 0.139%. The book value is 0%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company has no debt obligations. The company's debt rating, very good, 2 points. The company's stock price to profit ratio is 0. Average for the subcategory is 19.5. Evaluation of the market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $0 million. Projected profits for the next 12 months are unknown. Evaluation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 0. Average for the subcategory is 1.7. Evaluation of the exchange price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of expected future sales figures in comparison with the figures in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is 0%, with an average of 8.6% in the subcategory. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.076%. This is 83% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $0,000. While for the subcategory it is $782,000. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $0,000. The average in the subcategory is $40.1 thousand. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales per employee is $0,000. In the subcategory, $468,000. Sales per employee rating compared to companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions is 1.8%, with an average for the subcategory of 2%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 74% for the company NEWEGG COMMERCE INC. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 55%. The company's current share price is approximately $56.20. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $60.01. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the information and reference system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment results, NEWEGG COMMERCE Incorporated. Information and reference system for stock evaluation GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open sell order at $56.19 per share. The order is open because the company has a relatively low rating and price dynamics. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment criteria, the Acheme's index. Take profit is set at 0.47. Stop loss is set at 111.91. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed automatically at the end of the session on August 29, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker GRAL will become the main buy order. The video for the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the final price. Thank you very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.